The Huawei Mate 20 Pro is the Chinese manufacturer's second flagship release of the year. The Huawei Mate 20 Pro's square camera setup over at the back looks slightly different than the regular Mate 20. The main camera on the Pro model has a 40 megapixel with f1.8 lens, the same module as on the P20 Pro. It employs a special quad peer filter, meaning that are actually getting 10 megapixel images from it, and shooting at its native 40 megapixel resolution is rather pointless. The 8 megapixel telephoto snapper with 80mm f2.4 optically stabilized lens is also coming from the P20 Pro. The new addition is a 20 megapixel camera with 16mm f2.2 wide angle lens that replaces the monochrome shooter. So here we have the official camera samples of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So without wasting any more time, let's go for it. Credit goes to cnet.com. Link is given in the description box below. So yeah guys, what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.